How to change your Instagram country location instead of hiding it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application, then go to the profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. After that, scroll down and then go to About. Here, go to About your account, and here you will find an option of language and region. Tap on that and then make sure you have disabled your account and region and enabled hide region. Now next, instead of hiding it, go to settings of your phone. Now go to language and region. After that, all you have to do is change the language and region of your entire phone, and then it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.